Hey everybody, welcome to MT Cold Forge and Gaming, and what we're looking at here is the handle of the sword. What I'm going to be doing today is we're going to hone out the holes for our clear acrylic inserts that I'm going to have. And once I hone this out, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be putting in. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that little watermark over there and subscribe. Be sure to click that like and click that notification bell. Usually live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But with all that said, let's get right to it. So here we go. They're going to turn on the drill, which I'm sure you guys have seen the same exact bit that I've used before, and in the same project actually, to hone out the inside for the blade. But right now, what I'm going to do is I've picked out a select few sections down here and on the handle. Also, we're going to do it over here. I'm thinking right there, I might change my mind, but right there I think we'll have my Touchmark logo embedded in the crystal clear acrylic. And we got shark's teeth and some other items that I'm going to put in there. You guys will see that in the next video that's coming up. So let's get started. Enough gibbering, let's get going. I hope you guys enjoy. Safety first, remember, protect the eyeballs. We only got 2 of them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to center it right where we're going to start. Now this is not going to be exactly a round hole, so I'm going to do some of this by hand. But right now I'm going to drag it in slowly and keep checking it with the shark tooth that I have here on my side. I'll show you that in a minute. Try to stay out of the light of the shot as well. There goes nothing, guys, right in to our sword. Alright, this next time I go in, I should be able to start checking it. A little extra there, my drill slowed down. And I'll shut the drill off so you guys could hear a little better. Not too bad. I might have hit it right on the money. We'll find out. I still got this tooth kind of put on some wire. It'll help me hang on to it because it is tiny, but as you can see, the hole is directly round and the tooth doesn't fit in, but they're mostly all the same width, so I got a couple other teeth. There's a tooth. Good focusing on it, maybe not. I got this little shark tooth there. Let me pull one out. It's got the same about the same width. Another one on wire here we might fit in. Oh, this one almost doesn't fit either. Okay, we'll use a smaller one. It is the same width on the top part, so we should be alright. We'll use this as a guide, because some of this other stuff I might do by hand. Okay, it fits in. So, now that we have it fit in, I want to check something first. I have my little flat gauge here, and I want to see how much space I got above it. I could tell, I know the other tooth that doesn't quite fit in there yet is just a hair thicker. But we're getting close. I'm going to go down a little deeper and go from there. keep moving with this. I think always could just check it up against the width here of our bit to the width of the tooth here, which should be more than enough room to have some epoxy on top of that. Alright, so that's the depth we want, almost the full width of the blade. So we got our base hole started here. I'm going to take just a slight cut over here and a slight cut over here with the same bit. And we're going to kind of make it more of an oval shape, and I'll do a little bit of the other shaping by hand. If my drill starts. Hey now, start. Go over this way, hang on to it, a little bit this way. Not quite perfectly circle, but a little oval. We'll get to it in this video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this wedged sander. I'm going to go around the inside, and I'll put a undercut inside there. That way when we pour the epoxy and everything, it's going to have something to help grab it in there, and it'll never come out. Now we'll move on to the next hole on the scabbard. We'll go right here. And let's do this again. Now this one's going to be a little different. I'm going to try to put 2 holes, thinking right here, and this next hole is going to be up this way a little more, I think. I'll do a half a hole here, I think, because I kind of want it like not a normal, perfectly circle shape for this one here, because I'm going to put more than just a shark tooth in here if I can. I got some fossils and things that I've collected, and I might stick in there. Alright, argue with my drill for a minute, and here we go. Uh-oh. Okay. I think we'll go right in here. Here's for hoping. Cross your fingers, guys. Bit needs sharpened. Do it carefully, we should be alright. Almost starting a fire. but having a sharper bit may have me at an advantage, because putting epoxy on the wood, you could sometimes get air bubbles. Okay, we're getting really dull here. Hopefully it could stay out of the shot. I think we're stuck. Not cutting again. May have to stop and sharpen. Hope not. We're going to try to grab this hole right here. May actually be hitting the epoxy inside there. It's not cutting. Oh, we're at our limit. I seem to have pushed my track down. I pushed my drill foot down. That's our problem. Why am I not going down far enough? Hang on. That's something, huh? Shake it back up further. Tighten that thing down. All right, back to the business. Try to grab it here. Hopefully I can stay out of the shot. I might have been in the shot. If I was, sorry. So now we have that. I don't have to worry about those holes. We won't see those because I'm going to set, I may even work those out a little bit more by hand, but our items will be sitting over top of them. So we should be alright with that. The same goes with that. It does leave a little touch mark in the middle. That's to help keep the bit centered. I was going to take that touch mark off, but well. And we're going to do that one more time over here. Alright, and that's that. Now we have this side and this side, and the scabbard. There's our cool looking sword in there. Now what I'll be doing is taking the Dremel. We'll go around and put an edge on the inside, an undercut. think I have enough. I want to do about 20 minutes. We got about 5 minutes. I think I can get it done. All right. Whoa! Ruh-roh. Bit flew away. Be sure your bits are in there tight. This might be over a little bit, 5 minutes, huh? Can we still do it? Don't want to really rush and mess anything up, though. Force of it spinning pulls it right off of there. To have it all the way up to full torque, just to cut through really fast. That's the theory. Alright, let's try again. Whoa, hang on guys, bumped the camera, sorry about that. Alright, and that is that. Well, it took a few minutes longer than I thought it would, because we lost our bit there. But try to get a close-up of that. You can see, kind of hard to see, but we do have a ridge on the inside around the bottom now. On both sides, and they're all three deep enough. That's out of focus. 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 There we go. They're all deep enough to take care of. Alright, be sure to hit that notification bell and see what happens next. We'll find the things that are going in the epoxy and go from there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like, sub, share, click that notification bell. See you soon.